Welcome back, hackers. Command injection, a dangerous exploit that lets attackers execute arbitrary commands on a server. Let's see how it works using DVWA. Command injection happens when an attacker sends malicious input to execute unintended system commands. This can occur when user inputs are directly passed to the server's command line. Consider the ping input field shown. It is meant to run the ping command to ping an IP address. Pinging the IP of 8.8.8.8, we see the ping command runs as expected. If the input isn't sanitized, an attacker could append a command like semicolon and ls, which lists directory contents. This input manipulates the intended command. An attacker can execute any command available on the server, like reading sensitive files or installing malware. This can lead to full server control and data theft. Another example shown is running the cat command to obtain the information within the passwd file. An attacker can leverage this file to obtain information about accounts on the server. Scrolling down to the bottom, you can see there is a Savage Hack account, as well as a DVWA account. An attacker could input a one-line reverse bash shell to gain an interactive shell with the server. The last demonstration I'll run is the Who Am I command. This will show which account I am running commands as. As you can see, I am running commands as the DVWA account. Next, I'll show you the basics of preventing command injections. Prevent command injection by validating and sanitizing inputs. Use functions that escape shell commands, ensuring inputs are treated as data, not executable code. If you're using PHP to execute shell commands, you can use escape shell cmd and escape shell arg to sanitize user inputs. Escape shell cmd escapes any characters in a string that might be used to trick the shell into executing unintended commands. Whenever possible, avoid using shell commands altogether. Use built-in functions provided by the language that don't involve shell execution. Now that you are an expert on command injection, give this video a like, subscribe, and check out savagehack.com. Protect your servers, secure your code, stay vigilant, and stay savage.